In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy weekly plan on Google Calendar 2025, step by step. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're viewing the week layout so you can see your schedule at a glance. This view makes it easier to spot the exact event you want to reuse. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you're on a busy calendar or multiple calendars at once. Next, look for the weekly plan you want to copy. Many people keep a single event that represents their whole weekly plan, while others have a repeating plan set for a particular day, like every Sunday. If yours is scheduled each Sunday, that's perfect. Use one of those occurrences as the template you want to copy forward. Click the event that represents your weekly plan. This opens a small event preview. In that preview, find the three vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click that to reveal additional actions. Choose Duplicate. This creates a brand new event using the same details as the original: title, description, location, guests, reminders, and color, without changing the original. You'll be taken to the event editor with everything pre-filled, which saves time and prevents mistakes. Now set the date you want to copy your weekly plan to. Click the date field and pick the day that should hold the new copy, such as the following Sunday or any date you prefer. Double check that the start and end time still make sense for that date, and confirm the time zone if you travel or collaborate across regions. If you use multiple calendars, ensure the correct calendar is selected so the event appears where you expect it. When everything looks right, click Save. Google Calendar will create the duplicate as its own event, leaving your original intact. If you had guests on the original event, the duplicate will include them as well. If you don't want that, remove them before saving. Return to Week View to verify the copy. You should now see the event on the new date, matching the style and details of the original. If you need additional copies for future weeks, repeat the same duplicate and date process. This approach keeps your schedule consistent while giving you full control over each copy. That's it. By using Duplicate, you quickly clone a weekly plan to the date you need, maintain consistency, and avoid retyping. Save, confirm it appears in your week, and you're ready to move on with your planning.